In this video, I will show you how to add a user without a Microsoft account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, in order to do this, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, type control panel, and what you want to do is open up control panel underneath best match. Now, once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is change this from view by category and make sure this is selected to large icons. Then what you need to do is find the user accounts option. So if you just scroll down, you should see user accounts, give that a click, and that's going to take you to a window like this. Now from here, you want to click the link which says manage another account just down here, and this way you can find all your current accounts on your PC or laptop. Now from here, if you look at the bottom, there's going to be a link which says add a new user in PC settings. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open a window like this, and if you look at the top, you're going to see a blue add account button. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open another window like this, which initially it's going to ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. However, what you want to do at this point, if you look underneath the box where you need to enter an email phone number, you will see a link which says I don't have this person sign in information. So give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you to another screen which is going to ask you to create an account, but this is going to be a Microsoft account. So from here, if you actually look again below where you have to enter an email address, you're going to see a link which says to add a user without a Microsoft account. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen where you can create a user for this PC. So what you need to do is enter a username for them. So I'm going to call this one example tech, and what you can do is enter a password, but you don't have to do this is optional, and then click next at the bottom. So once you've done that, as you can see, that's going to add this account. What you can also do is click onto the account, and you can change the account type from here if you want to give that person administrator rights. So that's how to add a user without a Microsoft account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.